सो ये व्हाट इज अप गाइस, कैसे हो आप सभी लोग। वेलकम बैक टू अनदर व्लॉग। सो गाइस, आज हम लोग वापस से एक व्लॉग शूट करने वाले हैं। और लास्ट कल के व्लॉग में प्लेइंग फुटबॉल इन रेन, जिसमें मैंने एडिटिंग भी करी थी, उस व्लॉग में आप लोगों ने बहुत सपोर्ट दिखाया गाइस, और उसमें व्यूज शायद 18 से 20 हो गए। सो गाइस प्लीज और सपोर्ट दिखाइए। मतलब मेरे चैनल को स्टार्ट करे 1 महीना हो गया, और मेरा एक फ्रेंड है टेक विद देव, उसके चैनल को स्टार्ट करे 7 दिन और उसके 55 सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं और मेरे सिर्फ 14। ऐसा क्यों गाइस? मैं प्लीज़ आप मुझे सपोर्ट कीजिए, मैं आपके लिए इतने अच्छे व्लॉग बनाता हूँ। अब मैं गेमिंग बंद कर दूंगा क्योंकि मेरे मोबाइल में इतना मतलब हाई क्वालिटी की ग्राफिक्स नहीं आ पाती है। ओके, सो आज के ब्लॉग में हम लोग एक ऐसे बोलने वाले हैं जिसका टॉपिक है फर्स्ट डे ऑफ स्कूल इन नालंदा स्कूल गोधरा। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर व्लॉग। ओके सो गाइस, मैं ये ब्लॉग टोटली इंग्लिश में बोलने वाला हूँ। मैं बिल्कुल भी हिंदी बहुत कम यूज़ करूँगा। अगर कोई वर्ड मुझे नहीं आया है ना, स्पीकिंग अगर उस टाइम पे थोड़ी सी कम हो गई उस वर्ड के लिए, सो आई विल टेल इन हिंदी। ओके, so let's start our vlog. Okay, so मेरे essay का टॉपिक है, the topic of my essay is first day of school in Nalanda School Godhra. So let me tell you some intro of my school. The name of my school is Nalanda International School Godhra, and the trustee of my school is Mr. Sachikant Patel, and the principal, or you can also say the chief secretary of my school is Mr. Rajesh Patel. Okay, and the campus director who heads the annual function and all the cultural program or any sports program in our school is Miss Babita Sharma, and the principal of standard 1st to 12th is Mrs. Hemal Patel. Okay, so there are two branches of Nalanda, one there is in Godhra and one there is in Vadodara. The trustee of the नालंदा ऑफ वडोदरा क्या है?
ऐसे ऐसे घूम काय कर रहा है बार बार।
अरे भाई चलता है गाइस, आई विल शूट माय ब्लॉग इन टोटली इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज एंड I will not use any kind of Hindi word. Yeah, if I don't understand that how to speak that word in English, so I will speak in Hindi. Okay, so let's start. The topic of my essay is um, first day of school in Nalanda. Okay, Nalanda School, Godhra. Let me tell you some intro of my school. The name of my school is Nalanda International School, Godhra. Okay, there are two branches of Nalanda. One it is in Godhra, and the another one it is in Vadodara. Now let me tell you all the principals of Nalanda School, Godhra. Okay, so the trustee of our school is Mr. Sashikant Patel, and the principal of our school is Mr. Rajesh Patel. The campus director who heads all cultural programs, sports programs, and any kind of picnic or any kind of tour, it has been headed by Babita Sharma, Miss Babita Sharma. Okay, and the principal of standard 1st to 12th is Mrs. Hemal Patel. Okay. Okay. Now I should tell you about my previous school before Nalanda. So the name of my previous school was Rosebud International School, Devghar Baria. Yeah, it was an international school. Okay, and the principal of that school was Mrs. Ambika Kumar, and the trustee of that school was Mr. Tushar Singh. Okay, they both were husband and wife. There, that school was not that much bad also, not that much good also. It was a medium school. Okay. So in that school, I was not able to study that much nicely instead of Nalanda. Okay. So in that school, my average percentage rate was about 63 to 60. Yeah, 70 you can consider. Okay, about 60 to 70 in that I always score. Okay, but when I came to Nalanda, the first day of my school was so nice. Really, I liked that school that much. I personally think that my father has kept me in the best school of Godhra. Yeah, Nalanda is the best school of Godhra. From last 3 years, Nalanda is scoring the best school of Godhra award by Panchmahal. Okay, in Godhra, always from last 2 years, 2 years, okay, not 3 years, 2 years. From 2 years, the result of 10th and 12th board of Nalanda is first in Godhra. I think that you have heard about Tavyar Rajhans. You can also search on no, I think that he is not on Google because he is not a famous personality now. But he has scored 99.99% in SSC board. He was first in all over Gujarat and he was third in all the neighboring states of India, of Gujarat, sorry. Okay, he has scored 100 out of 100 in the difficult subjects like maths, science 97, English 96, and in SS you can't believable because the hardest and the hardest and yeah, the hardest. Okay, the hardest subject is 10th standard. I think that it is SS. Okay, so in SS he has scored how much? Yeah, 98 or 99. Okay, he has scored the overall marks 586 out of 600. Only the 14 marks remain to be first in all 10 states of India. Only 14 marks. Okay, so the first day of my school, I should start with 6 a.m. when I wake up and I do all my personal activities, which you also do every day. Okay, every man or woman, any kind of man, he has he is an human. Okay, so when I first reached in Nalanda, my experience was the best. When I put the first leg in the court, or you can also say the boundary of Nalanda, okay, I personally think that in my heart, any kind of motivation was started that you should come here or you should learn so much things here. And I entered the school and my father left me to the class. I was so strange of the school because I was a new student. Any teacher don't talk to me. I talk to the teachers, but they don't talk to me. So I think that okay, for a student there is so okay. And now, so when I first reached to the school, I clear you that there was a big scam with me. When I was when it was recess. Okay, means recess means I thought that in recess we should go downstairs and we started playing. Okay, मुझे ऐसा लगा कि रिसेस में नीचे जाकर हम सबको खेलना होता है. But there was no like that. In recess, my teacher tell me that you have to go and have your breakfast. Okay, so that was a very big scam with me. My also teacher don't scold me because she knows that in the previous school there was no recess. Only for 15 minutes break we are given, and there was a canteen in school. In the previous school, yeah, Rosebud. Okay, so let's Now let's continue. Okay. So when it was my last period, a strict teacher, Dr. Reena Gupta, she has done PhD from Bihar, and she has done BSc. She is a science and Hindi literature teacher, means she teaches us Hindi and Gujarati. But she was not teaching us Gujarati because she doesn't know Gujarati that much. Means she teaches but not that much clearly. But she teaches Hindi very well. So she come into the class, tell me that beta, just take out this book, and I forgot it. On the first day, she scolded me. I was totally get hurt that there was no at least a respect in that school for the first student. When I came to my home, I tell to my mom that this ma'am happened and this ma'am scolded me. So she tell that just neglect all these things because it will be now common in this school. This school is not like Rosegard. Okay, and I learn frequently well nice English from that school. Now you can see me how I am speaking English in front of you, and in 6th standard my first annual function was occurred. Okay, so in that annual function, you know that there is a stage fear. Any children that how I speak in front of them, but today I am the best anchor of the school. I also gone to Panchmal Idol from that school, and from that school I have also won 6 trophies, 2 from Panchmal Idols, like best anchor, and one from the GK master. I'm the GK master of that school and of Godhra also. I am the science master of that school and of Godhra also. And I am the maths master of that school and Godhra also. Okay. So now let's continue.
11 मिनट के बाद
So I the campus director, as I have tell you, the campus director called me. Now let me tell you the main thing, that you are the you best anchor. From that school I learned GK that much powerful that I have won the best GK boy of that school award in 10th standard. Yes, before 6 days or before 1 week they have awarded me. They means the award is in school, but they send it to my group. And in a meeting, there was owner with me. So in that school I learned so much things. And मैं आपको एक चीज़ बताना चाहता हूँ कि हमारे स्कूल में शिक्षा को धंधे के रूप से कभी नहीं देखा जाता। हमारे स्कूल ने आज तक कोई भी पेरेंट्स से कभी भी ये मांग नहीं की कि आप हमें फीस दे दीजिए। हम हर पेरेंट्स को वही बोलते थे, वो लोग सॉरी, कि हमेशा आपको जब फीस देनी है दीजिए, पर बच्चा उस साल में पढ़ रहा है उसी साल आप दे दीजिए। ओके, सो गाइस, मैं ये ब्लॉग यहीं पर रुकना चाहूँगा और मैं आपको एक और बात बता दूँ कि मैं उस स्कूल की तरफ से 10 जीके क्विज खेल कर आ गया हूँ अलग अलग स्कूल में। और एक जीके क्विज में अमन डे नाम की स्कूल में गए थे हम लोग। वहाँ पर हम लोग 150 पॉइंट्स की जीके क्विज थी, तो हमको 150 और उन स्कूल अमन डे को 150 पूछे थे। हम लोगों ने 148 राइट दिए थे और उनमें से 27 या 28 ही राइट दिए थे। सो उस टाइम मेरे को मेरी स्कूल की तरफ से बेस्ट जीके अवार्ड दिया गया था, जो कि अवार्ड अभी लिमखेड़ा में नहीं है, वो अवार्ड अभी गोधरा रखा है। मैं लाया नहीं था मेरे फ्रेंड्स को दिखाने के लिए, क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं था कि लोग ये अवार्ड को मांग कर लेंगे। और ये ब्लॉग देखने के बाद तो वो पक्का पूछेंगे कि अवार्ड बताना मुझे। मुझे पक्का पता है कि आप मुझ पर भरोसा करोगे। सो थैंक यू एंड लेट्स मीट